What? Bro, what are you saying? Hey, bro, you know what would be so tough? I don't want to do this, bro. Last time I did this, we went cave diving, police got called, it sucked. It actually sucked. You made my life miserable. Bro, so you know what we should do now? What? We should make a boat. We don't have any materials for that. Just give it a second. Where did that even come from? Are you like a celestial being or something? No, bro. I'm just so tough. Actually, I made it over here. And, you still haven't paid me my money. So I'll take my money now. Alright, I've never been this serious ever. But we need to get in that boat. Now. Okay, I'm in the boat. It's gonna be alright. Okay? I don't know why you don't want to pay him. This boat probably costed him a lot of money. And I'm just gonna sit down. Dude, it looks like you're scared. No, I'm not. Okay, bro. You know how usually the owner puts it in slow motion whenever something horrible is gonna happen? Yeah? So, hear me out. What if the owner's gonna put us in slow motion and spawn like a shark? Gosh, my feet. Alright, dude, that's getting annoying. Will you stop doing it with your feet? Fine, I'll just do this. I'm so tough, bro. Whatever you say.